Hello everyone, today is a day 5 of learning computer basic challenge CPU, cabinet and its internal part. Today in this video we learn understand what a CPU cabinet is, identify the internal component of a CPU cabinet, learn the function of each component. What is a CPU cabinet? A CPU cabinet, also called a system unit, is the main body of a computer that contains all the information internal hardware component. Important note, many people called the cabinet CPU, but this is incorrect. The CPU is only one part inside the CPU cabinet, that is called processor. Main part inside the CPU cabinet. The CPU cabinet contains the following component: motherboard, processor, RAM, hard disk, SSD, SMPS, cooling fan, expansion card. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. It contains all hardware components and allows them to communicate with each other. Function: connect all components, transfer data, supplies power to connected device. Processor. The CPU is also known as the brain of the computer. Function: execute instruction, perform calculation, control all computer operation. RAM. RAM is the temporary memory of the computer. Function: store data while programs are running. Make the computer faster. Data is erased when the computer is turned off. Hard disk SSD. These are storage devices used to save data permanently. Example: document, photos, videos, software, operating system. SMPS, switch mode power supply. The SMPS supplies electricity to all the components inside the CPU cabinet. Cooling fan. The cooling fan keeps the processor and other components cool by reducing heat. Expansion card. Expansion card add extra feature to the computer. Example: graphic card, sound card, network card. Quick revision. CPU cabinet is also called the system unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. Motherboard connects all hardware components. RAM stores data temporarily. Hard disk SSD stores data permanently. SMPS provides power to all internal components. Cooling fan prevent overheating. Practice question: what is a CPU cabinet? What is the difference between CPU cabinet and a CPU? Why is the CPU called the brain of the computer? What is the function of the motherboard? What is RAM? What is the difference between RAM and hard disk? What is the purpose of the SMPS? Why is a cooling fan important? Homework: open the side panel of a desktop CPU cabinet or research for an image online and identify motherboard, projector, RAM, hard disk and SSD, SMPS, cooling fan. Write one function of each component. Thank you for watching.